Hold up now. Y'all see this? Glueless.
I wish you let me do her.
Hey guys, it's Kate, of course. Welcome back to my channel. So let's hop right into this week, you guys. This was sent to me from Asteria Hair. Like always, check below in my description box just in case you guys are interested because there will be links. So here is construction right here. They do come, well, this wig comes with two combs in the front, a comb in the back. It comes with an adjustable strap and an elastic band that's sewn in. If you don't like the elastic band, you can always cut it out. So right here I'm showing you what the wig looks like with the lace still on, and the hairline is pre-plucked. I think that they did a really good job with the hairline. The knots are not bleached, so if you wanted bleach knots, you'll have to go in and do that yourself. For this wig, I did not go in and bleach my knots. I felt like I was just, gonna add concealer to the part. I do darken the lace up with my contour powder just so it can blend in a little bit better with my skin complexion. So right here is what the lace looks like with the contour powder that I added, and as you can see, it blends in seamlessly. So I feel like the headline is on point though. I didn't have to go in and pluck any extra hairs. Now the side where the ears are, the lace right there is a bit long, so I do go in and cut that off. Now guys, the wig I'm wearing is a 26-inch water wave textured wig. It is a HD 13 by 4 lace front wig, and it's 250% density, heavy on a 250% density. um I would not recommend this in the heat, you guys. So you might want to whip this bad boy out when the weather starts to cool off a little bit, cool down a little bit, because boy, this is a lot of hair. Or you can just get less of a density, because this density is not bad, especially uh, I'm funny acting when it comes to high density wigs, because sometimes they don't do it right and they be making it, the where the lace is, the hair be so thick right there, like it be for sure 250% density. I don't really like that. But this one is really nice because where the wefted hair is, that's the 250% density. And then when you get to the lace, it lays, like the hair on the lace lays really flat. Like you don't have any difficulties with getting it to lay and looking natural, if that makes any sense. But yeah, y'all, this wig is really nice. I definitely love the curls on here. Now, I didn't go in, because I didn't bleach the knots, I did not have to wash this wig. As you can see, I did not have to use any glue, any wig adhesive to lay down this lace, you guys. And it's a 13 by 4. It's not no 5 by 5, no lace closure wig. It's a full on lace front, and I'm not using any wig adhesive. So y'all know I'm loving this. But as far as the curls and everything, I feel like this is definitely going to be a high maintenance wig just because it's curly and it's very, very full. But the curls on this is really pretty. Like I said, I didn't go in and wash the hair, so these are how the curls came. And as you can see, this is a pretty quick video because it was nothing for me to apply this wig. I didn't have any issues and it looks very much natural, you guys. So y'all let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.